Hi, it's me, Ashley, back with another video. Today, I'm here with
Firecrackers!
the sequel of our,
other skits.
Yeah.
It's called Bad Babysitter, which I'm terrible at it. 'Cause
Bad Ice Cream Sitter.
whatever, same thing. So, I, suck at babysitting.
Yeah,
Yes.
she really sucks. You suck at everything.
I need glasses.
Yeah, she likes pretending to be, emoji.
I'm emoji. Hello. Hello, what is up? Oh.
I don't look like that.
Oh, my. Oh, my. It's gonna...
Okay, let's start. Yeah.
Emoji!
Oh, I hope they get here soon. I'm here. Celebrate. You can celebrate now. Hi, what did you want us here for? Well, we wanted to show you our science experiment for science class.
I love science!
Oh, okay. What is it? It is Autumn, where is it? I don't know. I thought you had it. No, I didn't. Microphone, you were supposed to get it. No, I wasn't, Leafy. Stop calling me Leafy. You know what? Just hold on. I'll get it. Here it is. It's a hair dryer. Yeah. What? Well, it lets you go back in time.
I love history.
Cool. Scoy. So
I want to be a dinosaur. I want to be a Fire-X.
a what?
Fire-X. We don't know all the dinosaurs out there.
Okay.
Yeah. Ooh.
Okay. Do you want to try it out? Yeah.
I do.
No, we can only do it. Okay. We're gonna go back into the dinosaur times. Let's go. Wait, we can't do it with 3 people. What happened? Wait, what? What? Why am I tiny? Why am I tiny?
I can't see myself. I don't have that power anymore.
Autumn,
Wait.
what did you do?
Let's fly. I can't fly. What happened to me?
Why am I Celestia?
Feel
Sweet
tiny.
mother of Celestia.
You're tiny.
What happened? I don't know. Autumn, what did you do?
Your fault. Blame it on her.
I don't know. I tried it with 3 people. I've tried it with 3 things before, but not with 3 ponies.
Why didn't you try with 3 hamsters?
Oh no.
They're tiny. I feel tiny. I'm like a hamster.
We're gonna learn how to fix this, okay? Come on.
Wait, you can't leave us here.
Just go back to Ice Cream's place or something.
Ice cream, let's go.
But I can't fit in my doorway.
Then just fly around it. Just dig a hole in your roof.
That's the point.
Those big
You can
fat
stay
wings
here,
are
okay? You stay here. Come on. Autumn, you little...
I feel so tiny. What do I do?
I don't know.
Why are you so tall? Why do you get to be the tall one?
I don't know, because I'm awesomer than you.
Oh my, you didn't.
Celestia! My idol, I love you.
Oh.
I'm not Celestia, I'm Ice Cream.
Oh, why don't you go pretend to be Celestia?
Oh.
Let's go.
Oh, that'll be fun. Let's go. I don't actually think you should do that.
Why?
Attention, ponies of Equestria! Give me all your candy! That's actually don't give them her don't give her your candy. Absolutely, Princess Celestia. Yeah. Why?
I think I want this.
Why does she have to be Princess Celestia?
Oh wait, I have a card. Never mind.
Give me more!
Oh my goodness.
More! Why? You'll never get me! Wait!
Why am I the only normal one?
You'll never get me! Yes, I will!
Go. What about me? Yet again, I'm the...
You'll never get me! Wait!
I'm tired.
Yeah, me too.
Let's have a break.
Yeah, let's have a break. Oh, that's dreadfully good.
Yummy.
You'll never get me! Yes, we will!
Please don't hurt me. Mommy!
You'll never get me! Oh. Ha-ha! I got you!
Oh my god, I don't like horses.
Get off at me! Emoji, get up! If you're not off in 5 seconds, I will use my magical celestia powers and destroy you! We found it! We found the cure! Get off of her! Jeez.
Oh my god. Oh, thank you, you're my hero.
We found the cure!
I don't like horses.
Oh, perfect. Use it on her, please.
Good, please use that on her first, not me, because I kind of like being small.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Now, all these characters are played by Ice Cream Sundae. And Firecracker
Except
was...
for me, I'm her friend. My name's Firecracker, and yes. Hey. Ah!
Ow!
Oh my God, okay?
That hurt.
The horse is behind me, isn't it?
Yeah. Are you okay?
No, I died.
Oh. Do you need anything?
Well, I'm already dead, so I need a grave.
Oh. How much does it cost?
I don't know, like $10,000. Just give me something. I'm dead.
How about a stone?
I'm a ghost.
Can I give you a stone?
Too late, I'm a ghost. Ooh.
Oh. Can I give you a stone? Can I offer you a stone so you don't haunt me?
Ooh.
Okay.
Ooh.
Ah!